product we are presenting to you today is this brand new release from Fenix, the TK20R. So just to show you the product and the box, very lovely. There are some unique features about this flashlight, which we will get to when we get to the flashlight itself. But important, this is a 1000 lumen flashlight, and it gives you a 310 meters beam distance. And in this specific case, this flashlight is designed primarily for use, for tactical use, but it can also be used for industrial tasks as well as hunting, with a few additional optional extras. So let us get to the more important part, the flashlight itself. So let us open the box. Okay, inside the box, let's get everything out there. There's the usual included items, a small short brochure of a few additional products from Fenix. Then your operator's manual, which is written in a few different languages, so people from all over the world can read these instructions. Then next we have a lovely holster for this flashlight with the Fenix branding on the side. Then we have the USB charging cable, the micro USB side here. And we also have this included lanyard, as well as a spare O-ring there. But I think the most important part is the flashlight itself. The flashlight, you are warned about this plastic sheet in the insulation sheet inside, which prevents the light from inadvertently operating while it is being transported. Then let us take that off for now. Let's start at the back. We have a tactical tail switch here, and also very importantly, and this is one of the features which makes this flashlight unique, is this recharge port or charging port then, which is what the included charging cable is for. This is a rechargeable flashlight, which is one of the features which makes it unique. To show you the waterproofing abilities of this flashlight, there is and this flashlight is IP68 state standard. So we're going to open this discharge port at the back. I'm going to hold this little dust cover, and I'm going to switch on the light, and then I'm going to dip it into the water. And I'm also going to operate it. I'm still holding the cover open, so this is to prove our claim of this light being IP68 rated. I think that proved our point. Then secondly, we get to the clip, which is also included. Then your functional switch, which is used to change your mode levels, your output levels. And very important about this, it shows you, it gives you an indication of the strength of the battery. Constant green shows the light is good. Constant red means you should start thinking about recharging, and then a flashing red indicates this battery level is critical, so you should definitely either replace or recharge. Then we look at the reflector itself, smooth reflector with the Cree XPL version 3 high LED inside, lovely centered. And another important thing, since this flashlight is designed mostly for tactical use, is this granulated bezel that we have, which in this case is the body color of the flashlight itself. Okay, so then let us get to the another important part. As we said, there's the sheet that protects the battery from inadvertent operation while it is being shipped. The battery is your standard 18650 battery, in this case 2900 milliamp hours, 3.6 volt and 10.44 watt hours. Okay, so with that out of the way, let us just, while this is open, let me show you another very important thing is the dual layer body construction. Since this can get damaged easily, we decided to reinforce this with this body construction here, which cannot come out. It can come out that little, so I'm just showing this. Okay, but this gives it extra strength. Okay, so let's put the battery back and get to the operation of the flashlight. Easy to operate one-handed. And another important thing here is the fact that it has a memory function. So in other words, if you switch off the flashlight and switch it on later, it will come on the same output level that you used it before. Okay, we're going to show you the operation of the light, and at the same time also show you the lumens. By the way, let me mention that the output level of this flashlight the maximum output level is 1000 lumens. But to show you the operation of the light, I'm just going to ask my colleague to switch off the lights for us. Okay, let us start by switching on. There's the low level. Then next one, the medium level. Then there's the high. And lastly, there's the turbo level. And last one, the strobe level. To get back to normal operation, you just hold down the functional switch again. And that is it. Then, since this light is also designed for hunting or with hunting purposes in mind, there are some optional accessories which can be bought to be used for hunting, like for instance rail mount, remote switch, etc. So you can also use this. With these accessories also obviously help for tactical.